Top 7 Best Drones Under $200 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together the list of options that will meet the need of different types of buyers. For more information, I have put links of products in the description. Make sure to check it out. Like the video, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. Number 7. Wingsland S6. With a $200 price tag on Amazon, the Wingsland S6 entry-level drone comes equipped with myriad premium features, including, among others, a GPS and GLONASS dual satellite navigation. It is easy to operate and carry around thanks to the foldable arms that make storage easy without breaking any part. According to consumer reviews on Amazon, this is arguably one of the best budget selfie drones on the market today. The drone features a foldable design, making it portable. However, one of its most notable features is probably its 4K 30p camera with digital image stabilization that is capable of recording 4K quality videos at 30 frames per second. What's more, the drone has a smartphone app that offers, among other things, video editing and composition capabilities. In addition to the awesome camera, this drone also comes with brushless motors that reduce wear and tear significantly. The drone's battery package consists of a single LiPo battery that delivers about 10 minutes of flight time. Its operating distance is about 80 meters. Number 6. MJX Bugs 2W. If you are into drone flying, cinematography, and videography, you should consider buying this drone. The MJX Bugs 2W costs anything from $170 to $200 on Amazon depending on the seller. However, compared to other entry-level drones, this drone offers superior features and capabilities. Some of its notable features include FPV transmission capability, a GPS, brushless motors, and a high-quality 1080p camera capable of recording breathtaking videos in HD format. Additionally, it has an altitude hold feature, stable flight path, and return home capability. You can fly this drone for up to 18 minutes without recharging or changing the battery. Thanks to its 2.4 GHz remote controller and 5.8 GHz FPV transmission feature, the drone has an operating range of 1,000 meters and an FPV transmission range of 500 meters. Number 5. DB Power Udi U842 Predator. This DB Power U842 drone costs about $200 on Amazon. Thanks to its motor and rotor blade protection, this sturdy and hardy drone can withstand several low-impact crashes, making it particularly ideal for inexperienced drone hobbyists who want to improve their drone flying skills. According to consumer reviews on Amazon, most consumers who have bought this drone are happy with, giving it a 4-star rating out of a possible 5 stars. The drone is designed to fly in light wind conditions and comes in different color combinations. Looking at the battery package, this drone comes with one 750 all-LiPo battery that delivers up to 8 minutes of flight time. It is worth noting that this is a fast-charging battery, meaning it takes a significantly shorter time to charge, which translates to shorter downtime. In terms of the controller, this drone comes with a standard 2.4 HC controller that gives it a maximum operating range of 100 meters. Additionally, the drone comes with a smartphone app that allows you to use the gravity induction mode to control the camera angle. The drone offers different speed and flight modes, allowing you to fly it both indoors and outdoors. Its flight modes include, among others, the RTH functionality and headless mode. The drone comes with various accessories including an extra battery and a micro SD card. Number 4. Altair Aerial Blackhawk. With a $129 price tag on Amazon, the Altair Aerial Blackhawk packs more punch than the average budget drone. This drone comes with blade and motor protectors, making it an ideal choice for inexperienced drone operators. The drone offers about 17 minutes of flight time and a flight distance of 500 meters. In regards to the camera, it comes with a decent high-quality camera capable of recording videos in HD format as well as shooting perfect stills. What's more, the drone comes with an action camera mount, meaning you can mount a GoPro or any other action camera brand onto the drone to get better quality stills and videos. The Altair Aerial Blackhawk comes with myriad accessories including guards, 4 rotor blades, a screwdriver, a wrench, 4 high landing gears, an action camera mount, one 750 all-LiPo battery, and a remote controller. Number 3. Holystone Phone 181C. Although this drone costs about $100 on Amazon, the small drone is not only highly versatile, but also offers many features and capabilities associated with premium drones. According to the consumer reviews on Amazon, This drone delivers all-round performance largely due to its one key return feature and altitude hold feature, which is rare in budget drones. Combined, these two features allow beginners to operate the drone with relative ease. On the camera front, the Holystone Phone 181C comes with a good camera capable of shooting 1280x720 type videos. To record amazing videos and shoot perfect stills, simply trigger the altitude hold feature. However, it is important to note that this drone lacks an image stabilization feature. In regards to the battery package, this drone comes with a 750 all-1S LiPo battery that delivers about 9 minutes of flight time. The drone's remote controllers, which looks like a console, has a 2.4 HG transmitter that offers an operating range of about 80 meters. Number 2. Simis 8 HG. On average, the Simis 8 HG costs about $192 on Amazon. However, despite its relatively low price tag, this drone is adaptable, durable, and stable, making it particularly ideal for drone enthusiasts, both children and adults, looking to improve their drone flying skills. What's more, unlike most budget drones, Simis 8 HG offers several premium features. For instance, it comes an altitude hold feature as well as an incredible 1008x8 megapixel HD camera. What's more, if you wish to get better footage, the drone comes with an adapter for other action camera brands such as GoPro. With the aforementioned altitude hold feature, you can lock the drone in a particular altitude, allowing you to shoot breathtaking stills and incredible HD videos. This drone comes with a single LiPo battery that offers up to 10 minutes of flight time and a flight range of up to 100 meters. Number 1. Altair 818 Plus Drone. Retailing for about $160 on Amazon, the Altair 818 Plus comes with rotor blade and motor protection, allowing it to withstand several low-impact crashes. What's more, the Altair 818 Plus comes with a wide-angle 720 type camera and a TF card that allow you to record videos in HD format from the moment the drone takes off. The drone's battery package consists of 2 LiPo batteries. Each of these 2 batteries offers about 15 minutes of flight time. Combined, the 2 batteries offer about 30 minutes of flight time, meaning you can use this drone for long shoots. This drone has an operating range of 150 meters. One of the drone's notable features is its remote control, which comes with a smartphone clip. Using this smartphone clip, you can stream first-person view FPV footage to your smartphone when the drone is up to 60 meters away from its remote control. The Altair 818 Plus also offers several new functions/modes including, among others, customer flight route mode, emergency landing, headless mode, and altitude hold mode. In regards to price, the Altair 818 Plus is available on Amazon for. So guys, that's all for the top 7 best drones under $200 2023. The links of all products are given in the description, which are updated for the best prices. Subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.